Sabha, or ʻsɛb.hɑː is an oasis city in southwestern Libya, approximately 640 kilometers south of Tripoli. It was historically the capital of the Fezzan region and the military territory of Fezzan-Ghadames and is now capital of the Sabha District. Sabha Air Base, south of the city, is a Libyan Air Force installation that is home to multiple MiG-25 aircraft. Sabha was where the erstwhile ruler of Libya, Muammar Gaddafi, grew up and received secondary education, and where he also later became involved in political activism. After the Libyan civil war and the resultant instability in the country, Sabha reportedly grew in importance as a slave auctioning town. However, an investigation by the National Commission for Human Rights in Libya revealed that, while there was illegal slavery, reports were exaggerated, as slave auctions were rare and not made public. The city was later seized by forces loyal to the Libyan National Army and its leader Khalifa Haftar in January 2019, but some politicians in the area switched their loyalty to the Government of National Accord in May 2020. In historical times, Sabha was a major center of the Libyan caravan trade. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.